Hello everyone, let's next try to trace down a beautiful landscape. For this I have created the stencil with the help of the cardboard sheet. You can even make use of the paper. After that I am going to make the mountains. These will look so clear and so beautiful and so real. For this I am also making use of some sponge so that I can spread my shading and it will look so nice. Don't forget to make this board, that will add more beauty to our landscape. Difficulty level is very difficult and it's best suitable for the adults. Next, shift our attention towards our another project. Here you can just pause the video so that you don't get confused and try to make this one. This is just a beautiful rabbit, or we can say a bunny. Rabbits are so cute and nice. They have the long ears that are the characteristic features of their cuteness. So today we are going to make a 3D rabbit and see how we were able to make it perfectly. The shading one is somewhat a beautiful kind of a drawing. Here we don't need to play with some of the colors. It saves our lot of time, and today we are going to show you how we can make this cute little sparrow, and in the background a beautiful flower that she's sitting on this stalk of this tree. This activity is again very good. Let's move towards our next project. Here I'm going to show you how I can create such beautiful tiny flowers out of just few easy simple steps. You can just pause the video and then try to minutely fill the each detail. This type of the painting is full of fineness, and fineness comes once you are able to just make it again and again. That's through the practice. So you just have to practice it twice or thrice. The choice is all yours. How much you will practice for this one and you will gain the perfection. In the background, don't forget to add some honeybees. Let's move towards our another project. Here I am going to show you how I can create this beautiful bird look. For this I am making use of the pencil and I am just doing the different levels of the shading, the darker, lighter and then the medium one, and I am going to just fascinate this look with the help of some colors. Here I am making use of this peach color or the orange color that's representing some flowers. We will next try to make our another painting. For this again I require a pencil and some colors may be required, and I am going to just show you how I can make this beautiful bird out of few easy simple steps. If we will talk about the difficulty level, then this one is medium difficult. You can get confused, so you can pause the video so that you can follow the each step in a sequential manner. Such type of the activity is best suitable for the adults, and if we will talk about the difficulty level, then this one is very difficult and it's very much time consuming also. We will now try to make a bird that's flying so high in the sky. Birds are just freedom creatures because they can just move here and there high above the sky. Today we are going to make one such creature. This activity is very simple. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 12 to 13. See how I am just adding the shading doing in the background. It looks so nice.